Hello everybody, my name is Shou, and we're here today at the Xiaomi Technology Park. The spotlight is on, and today is our Mi 11, our latest flagship phone for 2021. And that is what Mi 11 is about. Movie magic. At the foundation of movie magic is our studio-level camera. Mi 11 features a primary 108 megapixel camera, 123 degrees ultra-wide, and tele-macro lenses. Combining these, Mi 11 really lets you shoot like a director. Let's take a look. What's really magical is that each of these videos can be done with just a single click. Magic Zoom lets you create background-only zoom to change perception. Time Freeze lets you isolate and freeze just part of your video. Parallel World gives you a two-sided view of your scene, whilst Freeze Frame lets you create and catch up with moving clones. Very cool. Time Lapse simplifies long shots, and Slow Shutter lets you create unique artistic blurs, all with just a single click.
It's a bit bright in here, isn't it? This is an area where a great number of competitor smartphones fail to perform. Low light conditions. But let's say it gets even darker in here. Now this isn't gonna just lead to subpar video. It's gonna mean lost moments and lost memories, especially in extremely low light conditions. Now it's dark in here, but as you can see, Mi 11 performs incredibly well, adding visibility where there would have been none. Ultra night video is a massive leap forward. Mi 11 outperforms many other flagships in any lighting condition. Back to you, Shou.
Our camera setup in Mi 11 includes our custom 108 megapixel sensor. With one of the world's best 108 megapixel camera, 8K, and some of our most advanced software experiences ever, Mi 11 has taken videography and photography to a whole new level. Next, let's talk about something really important to me. Mi 11 is star quality on display. It is packed with pixels, featuring 515 pixels per inch, making it one of the most detailed displays in the entire world. To make the most of this, we've added super resolution. This is upscaling technology, which can up to triple the resolution of videos you see, including those found on YouTube, Netflix, and more. Not only did we use a higher refresh rate than competitors, we've used a 4-stage adaptive sync. You can clearly see a difference in how it processes gradient colors, with Mi 11 offering a very smooth, real gradient. And that standard is far and beyond those offered by other phones in the industry. Here, we put it next to the iPhone 12 Pro so you can compare. Every movie needs a soundtrack. When we watch movies using our smartphones, we want high-quality sound to match the amazing display as well. This is why Mi 11 features sound by Harman Kardon. Paired with the tuning of Harman Kardon is a pair of excellent dual speakers. But we also acknowledge that sometimes you want a different experience. That's why we're offering something very, very cool. Dual headphone and speaker support via Bluetooth 5.2. Next, Mi 11 will power your performance. Mi 11 was the world's very first smartphone launched with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888. 5G support and groundbreaking 5nm processing. Mi 11 features our greatest Antutu score of all time at an incredible 745,000. Mi 11 is really ready to power your performance. Backing this incredible performance is the Adreno 660 graphics processing unit, which makes Mi 11 one of, if not the very best device for mobile gaming. This GPU sports a performance improvement of 35% and offers support for 10-bit HDR gaming. To celebrate the launch of Mi 11, we will begin a collaboration with the most popular mobile game of the year in 2020, Genshin Impact.
Now, you can start getting ready for MIUI 12.5.
To make the most of our leading hardware and software experience, Mi 11 improves the Wi-Fi 6 experience. Wi-Fi is an area of constant focus and innovation for us. And this is more than your standard incremental leap forward. Wi-Fi 6 on Mi 11 is fast. Speaking of speed, Mi 11 will let you charge forward into the spotlight. For the first time in our global markets, we'll be offering 55 watts wired charging. This allows a full battery charge in just 45 minutes, and that is from a completely empty 0% charge. This is why we are offering 50 watts wireless charging in Mi 11. This will juice you up in just 53 minutes and vastly outcharges competitor flagships. As for chargers, we're sorry to say that we are not including an inbox 18 watts charger this time. This is because you probably have a number of those already. In exchange, we are including a 55-watt gallium nitride charger. We realize that very few people have chargers of this capacity, so we made sure to include it. To ensure that the show can keep going, we've also included a 4,600 milliamps big battery. Next to competition, it's clear which phone deserves the spotlight. Bigger battery, faster charging, reverse wireless charging, and an included 55 watts GaN charger inbox. This is probably the very best flagship phone for 2021. We have a few final Easter eggs for you. First, we support heart rate monitoring. Mi 11 features higher maximum vibration and a shorter start-stop time for fine-tuned, sophisticated feels. We've even enhanced our audio during video recording.
Always believe that something wonderful is about to happen.
Mi 11, however, uses an AI algorithm to isolate voice.
Always believe that something wonderful is about to happen.
Finally, let's talk about prices. So Mi 11 will start at 749 euros full retail price. I have one last piece of very special news for you. We will also be launching an extremely limited special edition of Mi 11 globally. This is the Mi 11 Legend Special Edition. This extremely limited edition is going to be available in extremely limited quantities very soon.
So that's the Mi TV Q1 75-inch. True to life clarity in 4K QLED. Rich, entertaining content with Android TV 10. Control for your smart home, and a premium design with a limitless display. As noted earlier, you would think that getting all of these amazing specs would cost you nearly 3,000 euros. That's without Dolby Vision, Android TV, or Google Assistant. Let's see what the Mi TV Q1 75-inch will really set you back. Starting from just 1,299 euros. What's it going to cost to ride with the best? Up to 45-kilometer travel distance, maximum speeds of 25 kilometers an hour, reliable double brakes, and an easy folding design, all in the bold design of the Mercedes AMG Petronas Formula One team. Just 799 euros.
This is everything we've launched today. Mi 11, Mi TV Q1 75-inch, and our Mercedes AMG Petronas F1 Team Edition scooter.